Happy Monday, Classroom 3. Today we are doing the June 8th activities. So you're going to continue with making a book. Um, the question you're going to ask for your book this time is, what is my favorite memory of my teacher? So you're going to ask and answer any questions you would like about children memories of preschool. So that is for ELA and social emotional. Now for math, today you are going to do, I'm thinking of a shape. We did this activity before. And you're just gonna invite your child to describe 2D and 3D shapes. Ask them about the faces of 3D shapes and what they look like. Encourage your child to find similar shapes but in various sizes around your home. So I did post videos probably weeks ago. So you can look at the video shapes on our YouTube channel and 3D shapes on our YouTube channel. And then you can ask the child what's around the house that look like those shapes. So for science and social studies, we are doing how am I learning to help take care of my home and my family. So you're just going to talk about or show how is your child learning to take care of their home and their family. So picking up toys, making my bed, watering your plants, taking turns with my sister or brother, take it. And you could take a folding chair with your with with me and say share with your child's teacher. So that's all you're doing, showing how the child take care of the home or the family. Now for physical education, you are going to do exploring pathways. This is hold a scarf, long ribbon, or string, moving it through the air in front of you, creating different pathways, straight, curved, zigzag, circles, figure eights. Then pretend to be wiper blades or sweep the floor. Finally, lay the scarf on the floor and pretend it is a snake. So it's just doing pathways. So you're just gonna just hold a scarf or a ribbon or string, and you're gonna move it through the air. You could do a straight, zigzag, curve, um, circles. So just moving the string or the scarf into shapes and pathways. Then you could put it on the floor after and act like it's a snake. You know how you do a jump rope? I know if you play that game when you was younger, jump rope, and you do the snake and we jump over it. So something like that. And of course it's in Spanish, the activities to follow. And that would be it. So the activities like more hands-on, more interactive for these last few days we have in school. So um this activity is probably fun for you and the child to do. Not a lot of thinking, so a lot of interacting activities. So that's it. That's, that's for this. All right, enjoy your day.